and welcome back to my channel. Sorry if you can't see my face. I look crazy today. My sister's up there. So if you hear her doing something, she's annoying little brain. And anyways.
How are you going to call me little when I'm literally 3 feet taller than you?
Whatever. Don't listen to her. Like, I'm so taller. Okay. Anyways, so today I'm going to be showing you all my slimes. So let's get started. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so the first slime is this slime. If you can hear her doing a video, I'm sorry about that, guys. But look, guys, it's so nice. It's like, it has like beads in it, like beads, and it's like very like blue. Very nice. Next, oh my God, fit on it. Next slime. All right, here is this slime, and I really like the colors. I called it Green Apple. So yeah, guys, it's a really nice slime. It's really like, I love it.
Imagine if you dropped that bowl again.
Yeah, guys. Okay, let me tell you a funny story. So yesterday, I was holding my brother Luca, and so I was holding him over here, and then this is the bowl. He holded onto it, and I was trying to get it out of his hand, and I was too late, and he literally knocked it off. Literally knocked it off, and I'm like, seriously? Wait, guys. I want to show you something funny. What the fuck?
Stop swearing.
Guys, this is a family friend.
More like a house pet. Is Grandpa?
This is my favorite, guys, if you wanted to see. And Liliana, I don't think she ever saw my ferret. She's my best friend, and she watches my videos. So this is a shout out for Liliana. His name's Kodak. He's so cute, isn't he?
Who watches your videos?
Liliana, my BFF, and other people that I don't know. So yeah. But here's my green nice slime. I gotta feed him after this video. Yeah, guys, let's see if it has a poke. Not really. It's not the best poke. So I have another one, but it's like the same texture as them, but it's different color. It's like a peach. And it smells like clay because I added clay into this. It smells so good. Oh my God, it's so much stretchier than the other. I really like the color, but I like the green color more. So yeah, guys, it's pretty nice. Like the texture of it, it's just a little stubborn. Oh, guys, you probably couldn't see that, but I was like all around it. Yes, queen, yes, queen. Oh my God, I put it the wrong way. How dumb am I? I'm so dumb. Woohoo! For the dumbest person on planet, me. Okay, next slime. God, this might be satisfying for you guys. Look, it's like all on top foam beads, but it's not a white slime, guys. It might look white on camera, but it's actually really purple. Yeah. Well, it's not really purple, but it's like a purple, guys. And I love it, guys. It's pretty nice. Let's see if it has a poke. It has a decent poke. I put it in this container. It's my own container I had. God. Next slime. This is what I call my Halloween pumpkin slime. It has eyeballs in it. And it has a really good poke, and I really love it. And it jiggles because of the eye. Let me show you guys. It's like one of those eyeball things. Really fun. I love its pokes. It's like pumpkin. That's why I name it pumpkin Halloween slime. Alright, next slime. We'll do... Let me get all my slimes. Okay, guys, I got all of the slimes. God, so many. So first I'm going to do it with my white slime. Show you my white slime. And I have Nickelodeon slime, but I'm going to show that in a different video because I don't want this video to be so long. Oh my god. So guys, this has a great poke. It's not very stretchy. I just have to stretch it really slowly, but if I like slime, my white slime, and I have more. So, guys, that's what happens. Don't fling it like I did. Stupid idea. So yeah, that's my white slime. Next is my favorite texture slime, but the ugliest color. No, I actually know my ugliest color. I can't stop playing with this. I love it so much. Ready? Let me try to make a bubble. Like, let's see the poke first. Okay, now I'm gonna try to make a bubble. Ooh, a little bubble. So that slime, very nice and. Oh my gosh, guys! Oh my gosh, all the slimes are everywhere. Wait, where's the top of this slime? Okay, this is the slime I already showed you guys, the pumpkin slime. The slime I already showed you, the top came off. Next slime, this dark purple slime. So yeah, guys, it's kind of rubber, but doesn't really have a poke. These slimes actually could take in school. Yeah, so that's not my favorite slime, but next slime, this slime. Blech! It looks like, oh, I don't know what this slime's from. All I know is it's disgusting. Oh, the texture feels so weird, so that's the slime. Oh, I don't want to get that out. Oh my god, guys, how many times am I going to drop this? How many times I've dropped my camera. I don't know why I'm talking. Then this egg slime. I don't even know what it's called. Like a weird texture, probably. Oh. Let me get out the hook. I'll just get out a little from. No, it has beads in it. So that's one of the slimes. There's beads falling everywhere. So yeah. Next slime. This other purple kind of slime. It's with flame beads. It's kind of like the other slime, but it has eyeballs in it. I don't know if the other slime has eyeballs. Comment down below. But this slime. And it's really good. So I like that one. Then, I choked on my own spit, guys. What's this slime? Is yeah, my sister's about to tell us a story, but this slime has hair in it, and it's hard, and it's just ugly slime, and I just want to throw it away, and I'm like choking at the same time while I'm trying to do this, guys. And the bag's halfway ripped. So then, this slime, it's a really good slime. I really like the color of it. It's a good texture. Stretches. Almost dropped that bowl. That would not have been good. So that slime. And then this slime. It's not the same slime, but I love it. It's like a green, kind of. But it's not really stretchy. It has good pokes, though, I guess. Next slime. I don't even know what way I'm putting this. So, now we're going to do this pink slime. I don't really like this slime. I think it might be like ugly. Okay, so, okay. Oh, never mind. This is not jiggly. This is actually, okay. I want to play with this one after, so I'm going to keep it down here so I know I want to play with it. God, it won't even zip. Oh, this is the bag that the zipper fell off. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to get this back on, but it's not very much working. So, yeah. Let me try. Ah, come on. Okay, let's do it on the other side. Come on, guys. Pray for me that this goes on. Woohoo, you guys prayed for me. But it's still not working. It's fine. I'll get another bag for it. Okay. Well, that slime. And then this is like the same slime as the other slime that I said that has a great texture, so I'm not going to show that. Same with this slime. And then my glitter slime that I made. With a lot of glitter and blue food dye. It's like super glittery, guys. It's so pretty. Come on, get out. But it is super glittery and super pretty. Wait, guys, look. Better lighting over there. You can see my sister a little bit up there, but yeah. I'm only taking out a little, but it's stretchy and pokey. It's really good slime. Okay. So that slime, and then the gold, my favorite color of my slimes. But yeah, it's like very nice. And it's a pretty gold color. So yeah, that slime. And then this slime, like the other slime. Yeah. So here, the slime, baby blue slime with slime seeds in it. So yeah, guys, here it is. Pretty nice. Doesn't really have a coat. Try to do this really quick, and then this really ugly slime that I'm not going to show, but it does not have a really good texture. But yeah, guys, that slime. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and comment down below what slime was your favorite slime. Bye! I'm going to be doing a part 2 of Nickelodeon slime. Bye!